Hey guys, Rachel here, and if you are looking for a coach, absolutely stunning fifth wheel coach, this might be the one that you're looking for. It is a Sanibel. It's beautiful. It's got that front living. It is absolutely stunning. So let's go from the outside in. You guys let me know, of course, and we'll go from there. Let's go. Hey guys. We've got our Forest River Sanibel. It is a 2025 model 3802 FLWB. You've got 3 slides on this side. It is that tankless water here. You've got 2 slides on this side, nice long awning, speakers. You got your backup camera prep as well. You got a ladder as well, which is always nice when it's there and you don't, it's already there. It's already on that wall. Let's take a look inside. All right, so I've always loved Sanibel's colors. I love that charcoal, blue, gray, and they have it in this one. So you've got 4 beautiful windows right around your table that does extend. Some comfy chairs right over here. And then you do have your kitchen area with a side island that does not get in the way. I mean, you can walk around. It's absolutely, I love the countertops, beautiful. You've got a nice big sink. You've got storage area all the way around. Drawers, storage. You've got a wine rack up there. You've got a 4-burner. Right here, you've got a nice big oven, microwave, and a residential fridge right here. And again, I love the colors. You got a half bath right here. Love how it's absolutely stunning. Just beautiful. And I like just having that extra bath. Right up these stairs, you've got your front living. Plenty of space, beautiful windows all the way around. You've got theater seating right here. You've got 2 couches on each side. Of course, they can go into a bed. And then you've got your televator, which your TV will just come right up. But you do have the option of having this window right here. Love it. And then you do have storage on each side. Got your fireplace and your sound bar. Just a lot of space over here. And then, of course, just a lot of seating as well. So all of this space, and then just plenty of area for everybody just to relax and talk and chill. And then, it's just so much room. And, of course, these super comfy, absolutely beautiful. Down through here, we've got our master bedroom. Okay, so nice and big, absolutely beautiful, huge bed. You've got your fireplace right here, a little window, some more storage above and below. You got a beautiful closet. I love mirrors on closets. I don't know why, I just do. I feel like every woman does. You've got some closet space in here to hang up your clothes, and then just, area for your shoes or whatever you want to use it for, but just a lot of space here. And then you do have your huge bathroom. I mean, plenty of space, beautiful sinks, a lot of counter space and storage, a nice big shower. Nice and big. Got a little seat right here. We are leaning right now because the stabilizers are not down, so this door will slide. But a ton of space here. Just so much room, extra storage, extra area. Love the window as well. Just giving in that natural light. And then you do have your washer and dryer prep right here, but a lot more storage as well. Of course, those shelves can be moved if you're using your washer and dryer. I love the barn door style, but what do you guys think of this unit? I would love to hear. Let me know. It's absolutely stunning in my book, but I want to hear what you guys think. Call, text, or email. You know my information is going to be in the description. Come see me, whatever. But if you have any questions, just reach out. But let me know what you think, guys. Until next time.